You must die. I alone am best.
Some guy the bird, he cuts you off and you're forced to swerve in front of the Beatles or bus, a bookmobile and a Mack truck, hauling hazardous biological waste. The light turns red, you have no brakes, and hard copy gets it all on tape, so you can't see the look on your face.
Die, 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 die.
I hope your Pinto begins to spin, takes out a disabled Vietnam veteran, throws down a Nobel Peace Prize winner, and maybe some orphans having Christmas dinner, perhaps even the British royal family, and the rabbi that's clutching the bottle-fed puppy. And we can't forget the newlyweds, and those Jerry's kids are as good as dead.